Now, even though we did not get the right result in the last lecture, I want to continue with the next steps. I want to create that YouTube video script, and I also want to create a newsletter email that advertises the blog post and a marketing tweet or multiple marketing tweets. Now for that here, I opened a new window, and what I'll do there is in my prompt, I'll paste in that full blog post that it generated before. That final version of the blog post without visuals and links. I could add them here, but I left them out here. But the final blog post with all those examples in plain text. And now I'm going to add some instructions before that post and after that post. I'll just tell it that below, after the 3 dashes, it finds a blog post. And then at the end of the prompt, maybe again separated by 3 dashes, which might not be too important, but which also helps us differentiate the blog post from our other instructions, I'll add this instruction where I say that for the above blog post, it should generate a YouTube video script. Now to make sure that it does that effectively, I'll also add a role here. You are now an experienced YouTube creator with deep knowledge of ML and AI technologies. And at the bottom of the prompt, I'll add these 2 instructions here where I'll say, create a script for a 5-minute YouTube video based on the above full article. The script should also include notes regarding the background video footage, B-roll, and audio tracks if necessary. Now, when sending this to ChatGPT, it therefore goes ahead and starts generating that YouTube script for me. And that's of course another strength of ChatGPT. You can not just use it to generate blog posts or for copywriting or for summarizing emails or for writing emails and for all these things about which you learned in this course, but you can also use it to have it generate video scripts for you. Like here, where it's generating this script for me where it tells me what I could say in such a YouTube video and which kind of content I might want to show in the background. Now this first draft here might still be a relatively rough script, and as always with ChatGPT, you should treat the result here as a starting point and of course refine it manually and improve it manually. But nonetheless, we're getting a script here and we're getting some ideas here on how we could structure our video and which segments we should have in that video and what we want to say in those different segments. We could then use this script, of course, as a starting point, improve it, as mentioned, and then record a video so that we don't just have this blog post article, but we also have a fitting YouTube video for that article. And that, of course, can really boost your productivity as a content creator because it definitely can speed up the process of generating written content, but also the process of generating videos. Even though, as mentioned, you would still have to improve this script and then, of course, also record it, add all that B-roll and so on. So there's still enough work left, but nonetheless, this can accelerate your workflow. Now, all that being said, you could of course also try to refine that script first by, for example, using ChatGPT again. And we could again try self-reflective prompting here and ask ChatGPT how this script could be improved to make sure that it maybe gives us a better version of that script. So here it regenerated the script for me and then summarizes what it did to improve it.